have 5 minutes. Hey guys, so you know those times when you literally have like 5 minutes to get ready? Well, I made this little tutorial to show you that you can get ready in 5 minutes for your day, look fresh with only 5 products. So 5, 4, 5. Basically, I've shown you all these products before. These are the ones that I love. Use what you have. There is one product that I feel like you should have that kind of helps complete everything, and I'll show you that when we get there. But 5 products to be ready in 5 minutes, super easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your concealer, which I put in basically the areas where I look like I have needed more than 5 minutes of sleep. Obviously, we know that concealer is great for that. So this is your first product, concealer. Get your wet beauty blender and blend it in. And make sure and go into the, on the eyelid. It just kind of makes those dark circles as well as kind of just like blends the eye together. Without having the effort of using a foundation and a concealer, you're just trying to do a light coverage all over your face because we don't have the time to do more. And the Beauty Blender helps do that. Okay. So now that you've used your concealer, basically you put it all like a thin layer all over your face. You're on to your next product, which is brows. You honestly, I love having a strong brow. If I'm not doing anything else, I just like to have it. I feel like it becomes a statement on its own. So just the cool thing about this product is that it is a gel, and you can literally be done with your brows in about 20 seconds. Product 2, brow gel. Product 3 is the one that I think that if you don't have this already, you need to get it. I got it as a gift from a friend. I've had it for about a year, and this is how much I've used. Like nothing. So it is called Osso. And it's a lip chap. You can also put it on your cheeks, and I'm gonna do a tiny bit on my eyes, just as like a kind of like wet eyeshadow. So you're just gonna be putting it, and it's pretty powerful. It smells good. It looks like you have a little bit of a flush. And you can dab it in if you want. Just a little tiny bit on the eyes. And this is a natural product. They sell it at this place. I mean, they sell it online, but they also sell it at this place called Olie. It's like a natural beauty store here in Cherry Creek, but they also have stores all over, as well as online, I believe. So, a little bit of eyeshadow, a little bit of lip gloss, and blush all in one, and it is made in Oregon. Yeah, olive oil, shea oil, natural beeswax, grapefruit, essential oil. That's amazing. So that's item number 3. Number 4, you know your girl loves a good highlight. So just a tiny bit. You obviously don't have a lot of time, so just putting it here on the tops of your eyelid, and then right in the like tear ducts of your eyes, gives you a nice little pop with about 20 seconds of application. Boop, boop, boop. And then I always do a little bit on my nose. Done. That's product 4. product 5, I just can't live without mascara. I just can't. I have blonde hair and I have blonde eyelashes, and without it, I look okay, but I look semi-dead. So product number 5 is mascara, and the one that I'm loving right now is Too Faced Better Than Sex. I also really like the NARS Climax one. It really like spreads out my lashes, but this gives me really long lashes, so I like that. And voila. 5 products, 5 minutes, you're out the door. You have concealer, you have brows, you have the one that does everything, blush, eyeshadow, lips, you have your highlighter, and you have your mascara, and that's it. See you later. I'm already late. I gotta go.